I'd like to thank the Gersoniel store for going through and sending these for free in exchange for an honest review. These are scratch pads. We got this one and we got a smaller one. And we do have some brushes and things that come with it as well. Let me go through and show you the unboxing to give you a better idea as we go. This is an 8-pack and it is glow in the dark, which is really cool. Great for adults or kids. And you could go through and do this and scratch away to go through and relieve some of that tension. You got nice sizes because one's small and one's larger. They're very luminous and you can really see the bright colors as you go through and look at the pictures themselves. Let me go through and show you some more examples of someone using this that's a bit more artistic than me. So as you can see, these are awesome. Definitely do recommend them.